Which ski boots are actually worth your time? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the right answer. Today, we're diving into the top 5 options that can keep your feet warm and comfortable while hitting the slopes. Product number 1: YESLIFE Balaclava Ski Mask. Let's kick things off with the YESLIFE Balaclava Ski Mask. Priced at just $5.97, this mask caught my attention with its impressive UPF 50 plus UV protection and its bestseller badge. If you want all-around protection from the elements while skiing, this is worth a serious look. The lightweight milk fiber material keeps you warm without overheating, and it dries quickly if you sweat. Plus, it can be styled in multiple ways, from a full face hood to a neck gaiter, making it super versatile for various situations. With a solid 4.4-star rating from over 12,900 reviews, people certainly love it. Now, some people complained about it being a bit tight for larger heads. Here's the thing though, while it may not fit everyone perfectly, if you're looking for a snug fit to keep out the cold, it's a minor issue. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, multifunctional face mask for skiing or outdoor sports. Skip this one if you have a larger head, as it might feel a bit restrictive. For less than $6, it's a bargain. Now, if the YESLIFE mask's tight fit concerns you, the next product offers a completely different approach to keeping your feet warm. Product number 2: NORTIV 8 Winter Snow Boots. Next up, we have the NORTIV 8 Men's Insulated Waterproof Winter Snow Boots. At $59.99, these boots stand out with a 4.5-star rating from 13,600 reviews. If you need warmth and waterproofing in frigid temperatures, this is worth a serious look. They feature a waterproof construction and windproof synthetic toe caps, ensuring your feet stay dry and protected. The removable insole is a game changer for comfort. It absorbs moisture and provides cushioning, reducing fatigue during long days on the slopes. Plus, the slip-resistant rubber outsole gives you stability on various terrains. Now, some users pointed out that the boots can feel a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, the added insulation and waterproofing come at a slight weight cost. If you prioritize warmth and stability over a lightweight feel, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you want durable winter boots that excel in harsh conditions. Skip this one if you're looking for something lighter for casual wear. For the price, they offer exceptional value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for young skiers. Product number 3: ROCES Idea Up Adjustable Ski Boots. Coming in third, the ROCES Idea Up Adjustable Ski Boots for kids. Retailing at $125.95, these boots have a 4.6-star rating and are designed to grow with your child. If you want a reliable boot that adapts as your child's feet grow, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These boots adjust in size from 22.5 to 25.5, which means you won't have to buy a new pair every season as your child's feet grow. The micro-adjustable buckle system allows for a snug fit, critical for performance on the slopes. Plus, the consistent sole length means you won't have to mess with ski bindings every time you adjust the size, saving you time and hassle. Now, some parents have mentioned that the adjustment process can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you figure it out, it's a lifesaver for managing your kids' growth spurts without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you want a long-lasting ski boot for your little one. Skip this one if your child is too young to ski or if you need a more advanced boot. Given the price and functionality, it's a smart investment. If the adjustable feature isn't what you need, the next boot might just be what you're looking for. Product number 4: TRAILBLITZ Winter Snow Boots. Next, let's talk about the TRAILBLITZ Winter Snow Boots. Priced at $38.99, these boots have a solid 4.5-star rating from 753 reviews. If you want something lightweight and warm without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The water-resistant fabric does a decent job of keeping moisture out, and while they're not fully waterproof, you can use water-repellent spray for extra protection. The slip-resistant outsole is great for walking on snowy surfaces without worrying about falling. They're also stylish enough for casual winter outings. Now, some buyers reported that they may not hold up in extremely wet conditions. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and comfortable boot for light winter activities. Skip this one if you're planning on spending extended time in deep snow. For the price, they're a steal. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more robust, the last product has got you covered. Product number 5, SHULOOK Men's Snow Boots. Finally, we have the SHULOOK Men's Snow Boots priced at $65.42. With a 4.4-star rating from over 3,100 reviews, these boots are built for the serious winter adventurer. If you need a reliable boot that offers maximum warmth and protection, this is worth a serious look. The 100% waterproof construction ensures that snow and moisture stay out, while the anti-collision toe cap keeps your feet safe. The flexible EVA midsole gives you superior cushioning, which is fantastic for long hikes or skiing trips, reducing foot fatigue. Now, some users have said they can feel a bit heavy during long walks. Here's the thing though, the weight comes from the added insulation and durability, so if you're serious about winter sports, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality, durable boot for extreme winter conditions. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight for casual wear. At this price point, the value is incredible for the warmth and protection it provides. To recap, we've covered the YESLIFE Balaclava for versatile protection, the NORTIV 8 boots for warmth and waterproofing, the ROX Idea Up for adjustable kids' boots, the TRALBLITZ for lightweight comfort, and the SHULOOK for serious winter adventures. Each of these options has its strengths, so whatever your needs are, there's a ski boot for you.